glad I picked a cool day to do this. Oh, myself. I can remember. It's been so long. I cannot remember how to open this thing up. So I'll be back. Okay, so I watched the video. Let's see if I can do it now. Yeah, I'm going to have to do this a lot more times to even come close to being semi-proficient at doing this. Whew. I can't get this thing to sit straight. Oh wow. Okay, so first of all I need some air. Woo! Alright. Then, right, feels like I'm missing a bar. Oh, I am. This one. Why it didn't go up with it, I don't know. Front, right. That could have hurt. Okay, front room. These bars or poles, whatever they are like if it rains, it keeps it from sagging in the middle and collecting water. This way it'll run off. Right. This one's not marked. This one's a little longer. So I'm going to guess this goes here. And that, I'm going to have to get a step stool. And then this one goes here. Maybe. Can you help me out? I need a hand. And this thing is not level. But the good thing about these is you can level it after you get it set up. There. Whew. Not the best setup job, but like I said, whew, after I do it a couple of times, then I'll start to remember the procedure. But it does get a nice breeze through here once you get it opened up. I need to get some screen repair tape because I see it's got a couple of little holes. Not bad, but if I fix it now, actually I could just cut this off and put a whole new set of screens on. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, it was a grunt. Oh, nice breeze. It was a grunt the first time. Well, it's not my first time putting it up, but it's the first time in a long time. And then this, for those of you that didn't see the original video when I got it, oh, I get down. This opens up, and let me show you. There's a bunch of storage space. If I can get this camera in here. Bunch of storage space in there. I've got right now an extra tire and I think it's a kitchen